Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the unit and mounting the transducer correctly. This prevents false returns and damage. Once powered, make sure the fuse and battery are healthy so the Livescope boots reliably. Next, install the transducer where the prop wash is minimal and the beam has clear water. This ensures stable live images. After mounting, tighten bolts and verify cable routing to avoid chafing. These first steps set the foundation for crisp, low-noise scanning images. You now configure the Livescope software and tune the imaging parameters so targets appear clearly. First, update firmware and calibrate the heading sensor. This aligns sonar data with boat heading. Then adjust range and sensitivity. Raise sensitivity for small targets and lower for noisy water. Use clutter filters to cut surface noise. Once done, slow the boat to walking speed or engage position hold to stabilize imagery. Moving too fast smears moving targets and hides structure details. You finish by identifying and marking targets, then troubleshoot if results lag. Watch for characteristic movement and shape. Use distance rings and zoom to distinguish fish from debris. Mark waypoints for repeat passes and change angle to reveal hidden structure. If the image jumps or fades, make sure the transducer is solid, reduce boat speed, and move devices that may cause EMI. Sometimes rerunning the heading calibration fixes misalignment. Finally, adapt sensitivity and filters until targets separate from back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.